CLA Bass. Let's get into it. What's up? I'm Mike. I'm in the music industry, and I'm going to tell you what I wish I knew 10 years ago. Take it with a grain of salt. So, half the time when I'm demoing, I am just fucking around with trying to get a bass tone. I'm jumping back and forth between amplitude, and then I'll go to like a Sans amp with an SSL channel. I can just never settle on one. So, the CLA Bass is awesome for that because it's pretty plug and play. I'm gonna do a quick demo, go through a few of the sounds, and you can just see for yourself. So, I'm obviously just going direct in. This is what it sounds like without anything. And we're gonna throw this on just with a full reset. One for the finger players. I'm not a finger player. That was horrible, but it'll work for now. I can get that. It's okay. Fucking. Let's check out the sounds. I know you're a better bass player than me. Don't come for me in the comments and say you suck. So we're coming in with. I'm turning it off. So that's it, straight in the DI. So you got this sub. Actually, let me pull it. So that sub really cranks around those. See if we turn the sub off. All that coming in. Check out this treble section. Hearing that around, what, 1K, 2K? Okay, so honk, bark, and cut all seem to kind of jump between that like 1.5K to 4K, I think, if I'm hearing that right. Cool. Compression. That's really going to make a difference on these tracks over here. Where are they? And then you've got a sub, which is weird because you also have this kind of sub frequency over here, but I don't know, let's see. Damn, that thing rumbles. Cool. Let's get some distortion here. Chorus, I mean, do we need that in there? I don't know. Cool. So that's basically what everything does. Now, I'm going to go through the presets because why not, you know? A lot of times I won't use the presets in these plugins. I don't know why. I'm just like, oh, they're just going to suck. But let's go through them anyway. That's a pretty solid tone. Let's A/B that to that being off. Pretty good. Nice ripper. Whoa. Damn, piano wire. There's something about that I like. It's like really cuts. Obviously, I have the bass super high in the mix so that you guys can hear it. But if you like blend that in, it could work. Maybe, I don't know. Quake, that's a lot of low end. Scoop sounds like the Bouncing Souls. That's a basic gist of it. I also don't know how to do these demo videos, so this is my first one, so here we go. I'm using a jazz bass with Seymour Duncan quarter pounders. You're going to get a different sound if you're playing something else, obviously. I think that goes without saying, but as far as just when you're demoing and you like have this idea and you're like, oh yeah, let me just get bass in real quick. You don't want to be spending time getting sounds. So, I mean, if you just throw in the CLA and just go to start me up, is that what it's called? A lot of that work is done. I think that it's an awesome plugin. It's an older plugin. I know that a lot of times people get kind of worried with older plugins. They're like, oh, well, it obviously sucks now. But some things are just tried and true. I mean, this is awesome. I don't know when this came out. I think this was like, I'm pretty sure this came out like around 2010. So this is like almost a 14-year-old plugin at this point. I think, don't quote me on that. I didn't actually do as much research as I should have. Also, what are you guys using for amp sims? Are you using amp sims? Are you going DI? Are you actually still miking up your amp in your apartment, pissing off your neighbors? Let me know, because I'm curious what other people are doing for their demos. Anyway, please subscribe. I'm starting this channel up and I'm doing a lot of videos about home demoing and songwriting and just playing in a band in general, because there is no textbook on playing in a band. And there shouldn't be, but whatever.